Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm Swapnali. I make content around skincare. I'm a skincare and hair care formulator. So today I have some skincare products with me, basically face care products. They have really worked well for me when it comes to acne and oiliness. So I am someone who has oily, acne prone skin, and all these products, all of them are very affordable, by the way, just putting it out there. So all these products have really been something I can use every single day without having to worry, oh, the product is getting over. And yeah, they work really well. I don't think you need expensive skincare. Even like affordable skincare which is formulated in a good way works really well. I can tell you that because I'm a formulator, so I know what actually goes into the skincare product. So I'm gonna start with this foxtail niacinamide clarifying serum. Now this one has niacinamide, azelaic acid, and yeah, these are the main ingredients in this. It has 12% niacinamide. 10% also would have been enough. They have added 12%, but honestly I feel 10% is actually really good. What I do love about this is the texture. As you guys can see, it's very lightweight, like a gel, but at the same time it's not like complete water. So if you want something that is like a serum cum gel which you can use every single day, this is really nice. I will put the price of the product somewhere on the screen so you guys can check, and if you want the link to the this product, I will be sharing that also in my description in case you want to, you know, just click on the link and buy. Otherwise, even on Amazon, if you go Amazon, Nykaa, anywhere you will get it. Okay, then I have this one which is the PhD 10% niacinamide serum with 2% NAG. Now NAG also is something which is really proven to be very helpful for pigmentation specifically, and it has this very watery consistency. So yeah, this is a proper serum. So on top of this serum you will probably want to use a moisturizer. Again, 10% niacinamide is actually really good, and this brand PhD actually makes some really nice formulations. In case you guys want to go check them out, please do. But yeah, this serum is one that I have tried. I have also, disclaimer, I have worked on a collaboration with PhD on this product, but yeah, it's really good. And as you guys can see, this is my second bottle, and yeah, I'm still using it. Also, I'm filming in my balcony because my there's not enough light in my house, but it's also really hot, so please bear with me. Then I have this spot correcting acne serum from Plix. Now this one, again, disclaimer, I have worked on a collaboration on this one, but this, okay, so this video is not a collab, okay, so this is like the product which I like. I am not on, like, I don't have to talk about any of these products. It's not a collab. Now this one has 2% salicylic acid and zinc, and it has caffeine. Great if you have active acne. For pigmentation, it's okay. It does have azelaic acid which will help you with pigmentation, but for active acne, if you have like small bumps over here, or you know, if you can see, I have like a small something coming up here, which is why I am using this. I actually do layer these two things together on days when I'm applying this, or when I'm applying this rather. So yeah, that's really good. Also the consistency, let me show you. Also guys, this has something known as jamun extract. It has a beautiful purple color. So it has this jamun extract again, which is really packed with antioxidants. So yeah, it does give you a nice brightness to your skin as well. Then I have this COS IQ vitamin C serum, which is the CEF 20% vitamin C. Now actually 20% vitamin C is gold standard for brightening your skin. Also vitamin C is very good. Let me show you the texture again. I think this is also almost over. I have used this up. But vitamin C is something which has been researched and studied. It is superb for anti-aging, for scars, for dull skin, for pigmentation. You just need to find a good formulation. Now like I told you guys, I have oily, acne prone skin, but this one has not broken me out at all, which is why I love to use this. And this has ethylated ascorbic acid 20%. It has 1% vitamin E and 0.5% ferulic acid. It's a very nice affordable vitamin C serum, and yeah, I don't think this should break anyone out because the formulation seems really gentle. No comedogenic ingredients in here. Do try this out. Lastly, one of my favorite toners of late, and I didn't really think I would love it so much, but I do, which is this Dot & Key Blueberry Hydrate Repair Barrier Repair Toner, which has 5 types of ceramides and rice water. It is so so lightweight. It's like literally water, and I've wasted a lot of it. But yeah, you just have to apply this on your skin, and like before, as the first step before any other skincare product. And it's really nice, just again something that I find myself using every day, especially in this hot summer that we have in Bombay. So yeah, these are the products I use. Now I don't use all these products in one go, but yeah, these are the ones I find myself using as someone with oily, acne prone skin, especially in summer. And you guys can see my skin is looking much better. I do have pigment. Also, I have no makeup, nothing on, okay, no concealer also. This is what my skin is looking like, and this is after like doing a lot of things. But these are the products which I really do think you guys might like, and also these are really affordable. So if you want to experiment, I think it's easier to experiment with products which are not so expensive. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope this video is helpful. If you guys want to try any of these products out, the links will be down below. They are not affiliate links, so you don't have to worry about me making any money off of these links. And also nothing in this video is sponsored. This video only is not sponsored. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do let me know what would you like to watch next.